Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the pointer size and color on this device. For simply in this, go to settings and scroll down. At the bottom, you can see the option accessibility. Tap on this one and tap on vision enhancements. Okay. Now simply scroll down. Here you can see the option pointer size and color. Tap on this one. So here you can see the pointer, and here we can adjust the pointer size using this slider. You can see. And here we can change the color. Okay. So up to this much, this is the largest size that we can apply on this pointer size, and this is the smallest. So according to your choice, you can select the color and the size. So simply in this way, we can change the pointer size and color on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.